Good evening. This is Tom coming to you once again late at night from the desert. Technically early in the morning from the desert. We ended our dash a little after 11:30, pulled over, took another nap, just because they're leaving me so far away from my zone, and I just really don't want to jump on the freeway when I'm exhausted. So overslept a little bit from the nap, wanted to take a little 15-30 minute nap, ended up taking an hour and a half nap. So I'm almost home. Let's look over the numbers here. It looks like Sunday night, working from 6 o'clock in the morning until 11:30 p.m. just so that we can close out the books prior to midnight. That's 17 and a half hours. $350 is what the average comes to at the market cap of $20 an hour. And so that was our expectation, was $350, ended up with $341. It was a really weird night today. It was slow. But then again, yesterday we did 50 deliveries total. And you can imagine when you're not doing what you did the day before, then all of a sudden it just seems like you're not producing the numbers. So today we only had 40 offers, 42 total. We declined 2, did 40, not sure what the total completion rate was. We can check here in just a second as we go over the rest of the numbers, just because it's the end of the week. Let's see. Let's jump over here real quick. Go to earnings. And looking at today's numbers. Come on, baby. Oh, that's right. It keeps on failing. Let's go back here, jump back in a second time, and then it works. So 341.86. I guess 41 deliveries is what we did total. You can see that we did a total of 65 hours of active time, 89 hours of dash time, and that's only 5 days out of the week because we took off New Year's Eve as well as New Year's Day. So this is 1708 for 5 days of work. Add in another $350 per day for each of those other 2 days. We're up to $400, and we're looking at a $2,500 week, and that's what we're trying to pull in on a regular basis. We don't need that in order to make six figures, but it's what we're shooting for. So these are the numbers for the week. Let's go look at our ratings real quick while we can. Ratings. Come on, baby. Currently, we're at a 97% acceptance rate, 100% completion, 99 on time. Let's take care of that 99 on time real quick. Do all these other orders because I know that I was not late. Let's see here, Chili's Bar and Grill. What does it say here? 8:49 drop off. We were late by 1 minute. And we're gonna say unexpected traffic. Submit. And they're gonna go ahead and exclude that. Jump out real quick. Jump back out again, jump back in, and you can see we're at 100%. 5.0 customer rating, 843 deliveries in the past 30 days, and a total of 46,615 plus the 41 for today, so that would be 46656. That's where we're currently at. So I'm getting ready to pull into the driveway, and we'll shoot off another video tomorrow morning. Appreciate you guys riding along with me. You can tell I'm still tired. I'm stumbling with my words. Just want to get inside and get some rest and get a fresh start for tomorrow. Hopefully your day went well. Hopefully you made those numbers. Hopefully here soon we'll be jumping in and trying to help you tweak those numbers so that you can increase your percentage. Just 10% of $300 is an extra $30. So see if we can tweak things for you and produce anywhere from 10 to 20% additional income. No guarantees, but there's got to be something that we can do in order to be able to help you. So you guys have a great night. We'll see you in a couple of hours. Ciao.